Hello everybody, welcome back to the REALME channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your REALME 16. First, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. This is very important because if your charger is not compatible, then you got your answer why your fast charging is not working. Now let me show you how to spot if it's working or if it's compatible. Here I got a cable that is not original, but as you guys can see, whenever I plug it in, you should see that it says SuperVoc right here, and that basically means that it is supercharging. So it is using the fast charge. If it's not going up to you, if you see only charging and not the SuperVoc, then you know that it's not compatible. Now make sure to clean your charging port. It's very important because sometimes if you don't clean it, then dust can block a lot of connection, and we definitely do not want it. That's why we want to make sure that our charging port is clean. And of course, fast charging is enabled by default. There's no setting that you can just enable or disable. It's enabled on by default. And what you guys can do is test another fast charger or an outlet. So as you guys can see, this is the cable that is compatible. And for example, let me quickly show you another cable that's not exactly compatible with it. So this is the cable that's not compatible. I've tested it, and we basically want to make sure that our cable is good. Also make sure that your outlet is good so you can try another one. And as a last resort, go over into settings, scroll down to system and update, go to software update, and make sure that you're on the latest version of your software. So I am, but if you're not, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.